All right, let's be real for a second. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed your body pulling a sneaky little trick on you. One day you're feeling like you could wrestle a bear, and the next, you're struggling to open a pickle jar. Sound familiar? Maybe you wake up feeling like you aged 10 years overnight with stiff joints, softer muscles, or just that, ugh, why am I so creaky vibe? Well, what if I told you that you could rebuild your strength, protect your joints, and wake up feeling like a younger you, all while you're snoozing? Yep, you heard me right. Today, I'm spilling the beans on a simple nighttime habit that can help you rebuild muscle while you sleep. And don't worry, it's not some crazy gym routine or a fad diet. It's just one scoop, once a day. So grab a cozy drink, maybe pretend it's happy hour, and let's dive into how you can stay strong, mobile, and independent after 60. Oh, and if you love learning how to feel your best, hit that subscribe button for Health After 60. We're all about keeping you vibrant and thriving. Now, before we get into the juicy details, let me ask you something. Have you noticed it's harder to stay strong, even if you're eating well or staying active? Maybe your arms feel a little weaker, your legs aren't as sturdy, or you wake up stiff, like your body forgot to hit the reset button overnight. If that's you, you're not alone, and you're definitely not imagining it. After 60, your body starts to lose muscle faster, especially during sleep. In fact, research shows that after age 60, you can lose up to 3 to 5% of your muscle mass per decade if you don't take action. That's right, your body might be breaking down more muscle at night than it's building back. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to flip the script with one simple habit that works like magic while you dream. Ready? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why this is happening. Your body is like a house. It needs constant maintenance to stay strong. When you're younger, your body is a master contractor, rebuilding muscle, repairing joints, and keeping everything in tip-top shape. But after 60, that contractor starts slacking off. Here's why. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, rebuilding muscle fibers damaged during the day. But after 60, your body's ability to rebuild slows down, and it can break down more muscle than it repairs, especially if you're low on key nutrients. A 2015 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults lose muscle protein synthesis efficiency during sleep, meaning your body struggles to rebuild what it loses overnight. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's like the glue that keeps your muscles strong, your joints flexible, and your skin firm. But here's the kicker. After 60, your natural collagen production drops by about 1 to 2% per year, according to a 2018 study in Nutrients. Less collagen means weaker muscles, stiffer joints, and even slouchier posture. If you're not getting... So, what's this magic scoop I keep talking about? It's collagen, specifically hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Now, I know collagen sounds like something you'd hear in a skincare ad, but trust me, it's way more than that. Collagen is a superhero for your muscles, joints, and overall strength. Here's why it's a game changer after 60. 21st, collagen is packed with amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These are the building blocks your body uses to repair muscle fibers during sleep. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that collagen supplementation combined with light exercise increased muscle mass and strength in older adults by up to 4% in just 12 weeks. Collagen doesn't just help muscles, it supports the tendons and ligaments that keep you moving smoothly. A 2017 study in Current Medical Research and Opinion found that collagen peptides reduced joint pain and improved mobility in older adults with osteoarthritis. Your body does its best repair work during deep sleep, especially in the first few hours. Taking collagen before bed gives your body the exact materials it needs right when it's ready to rebuild. Plus, glycine, one of collagen's key amino acids, has been shown to improve sleep quality, according to a 2012 study in Sleep and Biological Rhythms. Better sleep, stronger muscles? Yes, please. Think of collagen like delivering a truckload of bricks to a construction site. Without it, your body's workers show up, but they've got nothing to build with. With collagen, you're giving them everything they need to rebuild stronger, more resilient muscles and joints while you sleep. Now, I could talk about studies all day, but let's make this real. Here are 2 stories from people over 60 who started using collagen and saw incredible changes. Susan used to love gardening, but by her mid-60s, her knees and shoulders were so stiff that kneeling to plant flowers felt like a workout. She was also losing strength in her arms, making it hard to carry her grandkids. Susan started taking 1 scoop of hydrolyzed collagen peptides in her evening tea. After 2 weeks, she noticed less stiffness in the mornings, By 6 weeks, she was back to gardening without pain and even started doing light strength training. "I feel like I got my spark back," she told me. "I'm not just sitting on the sidelines anymore, I'm playing with my grandkids again." Michael was a runner in his 50s, but by 72, his legs felt weak and his joints ached after short walks. He thought his active days were over. A friend suggested collagen, so he started mixing a scoop into his bedtime smoothie. After a month, Michael noticed he could walk longer without discomfort. 3 months in, he was doing light resistance exercises and felt stronger than he had in years. "I'm not running marathons," he said, "but I'm moving better and I wake up feeling ready for the day." Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually do this? It's easier than you think. And I'm going to break it down into 5 simple steps. Go for hydrolyzed collagen peptides. They're broken down into smaller particles that your body can absorb easily. Aim for 10 grams per day, which is about 1 scoop. You can find these in powder form, and they mix easily into water, tea, or even warm milk. For the best results, take your collagen in 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This aligns with your body's natural repair cycle during deep sleep. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that taking collagen before bed maximizes its use in muscle and tissue repair. Try mixing it into a calming nighttime drink, like chamomile tea or warm almond milk. Just skip the sugar, as it can interfere with collagen synthesis. Your body needs vitamin C to turn collagen into usable tissue. A 2014 study in Orthopedic Reviews showed that vitamin C enhances collagen's effectiveness for joint and muscle repair. You don't need much, just a slice of orange, a handful of berries, or a small vitamin C supplement with your collagen. Collagen isn't a one-and-done deal. The real magic happens when you take it every night. Set a reminder, make it part of your bedtime routine, and stick with it. Consistency is key to seeing results. You might have heard you need to take collagen on an empty stomach. Myth busted. A 2019 review in Journal of Dietary Supplements found no difference in absorption, whether taken with or without food. Just take it when it fits your routine. That's it. 1 scoop, 1 drink, 1 habit. Done. Now let's talk about what you can expect when you start. Everybody is different, but here's what many people over 60 experience when they start taking collagen nightly. After 7 days, you might notice subtle changes. Your joints may feel less stiff when you wake up, and you might move a bit easier. Some people even sleep better thanks to glycine's calming effects. A 2016 study in Frontiers in Pharmacology found that glycine improves sleep quality in older adults, helping them feel more refreshed. After 3 weeks, this is when things get exciting. Many report stronger muscles, especially if they're doing light activities like walking or resistance exercises. Joint discomfort may ease, and your skin might feel firmer. Internally, your body is rebuilding tissues that have been wearing down for years. After 1 to 2 months, with consistent use, you could see improved posture, better mobility, and more energy. Your body isn't struggling to repair itself anymore, so you feel stronger and more capable. These changes aren't just about feeling good today, they're about protecting your independence for years to come. Sounds pretty great, right? But collagen alone isn't a magic bullet. Let's talk about how to make it work even better. To get the most out of your collagen habit, here are 5 simple things you can do. Collagen needs water to work properly. When you're dehydrated, your tissues dry out, and collagen can't do its job. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, and keep a water bottle handy, especially in the evening. We mentioned this earlier, but it's worth repeating. Vitamin C is like the key that unlocks collagen's potential. Add a slice of kiwi, a squeeze of lemon, or a small supplement to your nightly routine. Collagen works best during deep sleep, so create a sleep-friendly environment. Avoid screens an hour before bed, keep your room cool and dark, and try a calming routine. Your collagen scoop in warm tea can be part of that ritual. Collagen provides specific amino acids, but your body also needs a full range from food. Include protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, lentils, or Greek yogurt in your meals to support muscle health. You don't need to hit the gym like a 20-year-old. Light activities like walking, stretching, or resistance exercises amplify collagen's benefits. A 2021 study in sports medicine showed that combining collagen with light exercise doubled muscle strength gains in older adults. These small steps add up to big results. Think of collagen as the foundation, and these habits as the walls and roof of your body's house. So there you have it. The simple nighttime habit that can help you rebuild muscle, protect your joints, and wake up stronger after 60. It's just one scoop of collagen taken consistently with a few smart habits to back it up. You're not just aging, you're building a stronger, more vibrant you, one night at a time. If you're ready to get started, I've linked my favorite collagen brand in the description below. It's the one I trust and recommend, and it's super easy to use. I'd love to hear from you. Do you already take collagen, or are you excited to try it? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you're serious about staying strong and independent after 60, check out my 7-day plan video series linked below. It's packed with practical tips to keep you thriving. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Health After 60. We're here to help you live your best life every single day.